Got a first piece of lumber up there on the sawhorse. It's a lovely 2x10. We're using to build some more garden beds, but they're doing great.
Well, first sawhorses I've built. They're pretty heavy.
You want to get to see you cut?
Huh?
You want to get to see you cut? Yeah.
Sure will. You watch me cut a rug.
How's that feel?
Feels good. Boy, it's nice to walk up here and work on. I've been needing this for a long time. I need to build me about 2 more of them. Put over at my sawmill on the back side where I can lay my lumber up on it. Didn't take my tractor, so I don't have to leave my tractor, you know, in the way. I'll put them on this side. No, I had to move them every time on this side. Oh,
I didn't get that.
You didn't get that. That was funny. That was worth getting.
Gage walked under there and hit his head.
That was worth getting. 10 foot. I mean 8 foot. You know what?
It's a big garden bed.
You know what?
What?
You know, it ain't got to be no exact number.
Yeah.
Mama.
These two is the same length. I ought to cut it a little bit bigger. Like 9.5 foot. Just be more space. I mean, it ain't got to be, I mean, ain't no Bible saying it's got to be exactly 8 foot. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'm going to put it 9'6".
9'6".
Be more plants you can put in it. More plants.
For my beans, greens.
More food for the homestead. Lord, these sawhorses are so nice. I can see the line.